This video guide will help you to remove the online scam that is related to the site Vaultus.cick. Vaultus.cick is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them think that their computer is damaged by some malware. So the pop-up by Vaultus.cick says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It may also display some other frustrating messages that try to make you click on this Stay Protected button. When people do that, they will be redirected to some other junk sites of a bad reputation, and these junk sites may promote some other potentially unwanted or even malicious software. So please don't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups. Don't install anything that they suggest. My recommendation is that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Click on Start Combo Scan button there. The program is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got some free features like disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The scanning itself will take some time. It may depend on various factors, of course. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all threats which were revealed. You will be able to remove some threats manually, of course, but we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future and to keep your entire system always free of any other threats.